Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another of Joe's recipes. Today I'm going to be serving up a banana bread. My son loves this banana bread. I make it for him quite regularly. Well, I used to make it for him when I had my own house, but now that I'm living with my folks, I don't do nearly as much cooking as I used to do, but I've decided to try and get back into the swing of things. And yeah, I'm going to be making this banana bread. It's a very quick and easy recipe. He loves it. He takes it to school. He has it for a snack. It's just a very delicious and healthy recipe. 1.5 cups of self-raising wholemeal flour. I prefer to use wholemeal. It's just a healthier option, but you can use white flour if that's what you prefer. You also need 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda, which I've already put in with the flour, 3 tablespoons of honey, 50 mils of coconut oil. You can use any oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil. I prefer coconut oil because of the flavor. It gives it a very tropical, light flavor. I really love the smell and the taste of the coconut oil. So 50 mils of whatever oil you prefer. 1 egg, 1/2 cup of full cream milk, 3/4 cup of sultanas, and the most important ingredient of all is the bananas, so 3 ripe bananas. Before you begin, make sure your oven is preheated to 160 if it's a fan forced oven, or 180 degrees Celsius. And also make sure that you line a loaf tin with some baking paper so that it's easy to pull out when your bread is ready. So first we're going to place the ripe bananas in a bowl and mash with a fork, and then add the honey and stir until combined. So you're going to place the wholemeal flour in a large bowl, add the sifted bicarb and make a whirl in the center. Then whisk the egg, the oil and the milk and pour that mixture into the flour. Then add the mashed bananas and the sultanas and stir until it's just combined. Don't over stir because then your banana bread will come out tough. So now all you need to do is pour that delicious batter into a lined tin, bake for about 55 to 60 minutes. Before you pull the bread out of the cake tin, just let it cool down for about 5 minutes, and then once you've placed it onto a wire cooling rack, just leave it there and let it cool completely down before you slice it. And when you do slice it, just slice it into nice thick slices. You can freeze it, you can eat it immediately. When you bake this, the whole house just smells so amazing. So that is my famous banana bread recipe, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you will go and make this banana bread and let me know what you thought of it. Let me know how it tasted, if you thought it was delicious, if the people you served it to thought it was delicious. I would really love to hear the feedback. Also, let me know what other recipes you would like me to cook for you. I have a whole arsenal of recipes in my recipe box that I'd love to share with you guys. But yeah, this is a favorite of ours and I just love it with a cup of tea and just toasted. I don't even put any butter on it. I just love it. It's just so comforting. So that completes this recipe and this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you click the notifications bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And that's it for this one. I shall see you in my next one. Until then, take care.